There's nothing quite like receiving your brand new car. Like all cars, it will need to be maintained and cared for. When things go wrong, you can be left with surprise servicing bills to cover those expensive items and repairs. With a select car leasing maintenance package, you can have complete peace of mind with your car, safe in the knowledge your vehicle's being properly taken care of throughout its whole life. The benefits of our comprehensive maintenance plans include coverage of scheduled services, as well as replacement tyres, brake pads, discs, batteries, bulbs and also wiper blades, using approved, accredited garages and technicians. There's also free collection and return of your vehicle, plus additional breakdown cover benefits. Spreading the cost of the maintenance package over the lease period makes it much easier for you to budget your maintenance costs, so you don't have to face a large bill to keep your car in great condition. To find out more about our maintenance options, then simply visit our maintenance page on the website, or if you have any questions, just give us a call. We'll be happy to help.